Hey guys, welcome back to Gone Tracking. It's another Braai video. We often hear the guys ask what can we do instead of just having meat. We like doing this for lunch, but tonight's going to be our dinner. It's very easy to pack for, and basically we're making what in South Africa we call a Braai Pie. We're making pizza on the fire. You don't need a closed dome. We'll show you how to do that today. All you need for the most basic pizza, some pre-made pizza bases, cheese. We've made our bacon already, and we like to put banana on, but honestly you can use anything you want to. In fact, if you're going to do this, leave some comments down below. Let us know what you're going to use for fillings. Maybe we can try that as well. One of the reasons why we like to take this is when you have to pack and you have limited space. That's it. This is how much you have to pack into your freezer to get it ready. It's easy to make and the kids absolutely love it. So let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is just prep our bases. Now, what we do is, because it isn't a closed dome, the heat escapes. So we use our braai bread. Already been cleaned. The base is still frozen. And that's also per the instructions on the box. So we keep with that. What I like about these is they're actually quite nice because they already have some cheese on them and a very thin tomato base. Let's see how many we can do today. So we'll do 3 at a time. Like a glove. There we go. Right. The rest we'll take out just now. Our banana. Remember to tuck those fingers. We don't make them too thin, but it's obviously up to you how thin you want it. Let's get some down on this side. You should bear in mind, unlike a normal pizza, you're going to be 2 bases on top of each other, so it's thicker, which means that you would like the innards also to have thicker toppings, so that you can actually balance it out and taste what you're eating. Okay, so we've got the banana base down. Now for our bacon. Again, try and be generous, otherwise the flavor of the bacon won't go through the thick base, because it is basically double as thick as normal. Okay, let's spread it. Okay. Yeah. So bacon's done. And now cheese. So again, the easiest one, we buy big blocks of cheddar. It's nice actually if you mix it with mozzarella and cheddar. I also like putting feta on, but today I'm keeping it plain and simple, just putting some cheddar on. So now just get the base on. So while we're opening these, the alternative ways of dealing with this when you get more advanced, I guess, you can use phyllo pastry. You can make your own. Instead of putting a base on a base, you can also use soft and fold it over like a calzone. But in our case, this is a tried and tested method. So if it's the first time that you're making one of these, stick to something that's easy. Get your pre-made bases, put on the fillings that you enjoy, and then test it on the fire. Right. Now it's going to lift a little bit initially, and then as you close it, it'll press down. As it gets softer on the fire, it also starts folding in and pushing into each other. Move it onto the fire now. Because this is a dough and it's still frozen and you want your insides to the filling itself to melt, you actually have to turn this quite often. Don't put it on the fire and let it go brown on the one side. If you do that, you're going to have raw dough in the middle and everything's not going to be melted. So look at it smoking already, still a bit hot. It's only been on a few seconds, and look at that. So you're going to turn these a lot, every 10 seconds, give it a good turn. Enjoy. Okay, so it was a bit warm at the bottom and it was brine too fast. So what I've done is I've lifted it quite a bit. I still have enough heat to allow this to slowly bake without burning, and then as soon as I'm ready, I'm going to lower it again and get the insides nice and baked. Is it going? Right, we're done. So just like normal bread, just tap it. It will loosen up. Careful when you take it off that you don't have cheese dripping on you, because that will burn and stick. There's one side, and you turn it, and you do the same on the other side. Right, it's really loose. Careful the melted cheese, so we know it's done. Okay. Off. Cut. Let's call the kids. Kayla, Luan!
Yo. Yeah.
Luan. How's it? Look at there. You guys agree?
Yes.
Ah, Luan. Right, that's it. This is the braai pie. If you make it any other way, please comment below. If it looks like something that you would want to make and try it with your kids, please like the video. And if you want to see more videos, please subscribe, click that bell, and you'll see when we post our next ones. Enjoy, guys.